Good afternoon, and welcome to another edition of Heat Smart with Portage in Maine. Today we're here in beautiful Piney, Manitoba at the manufacturing facility for Portage in Maine outdoor water furnaces. Today we're going to go in, take a look at the assembly process, and learn how your Portage in Maine outdoor water furnace is built. Come on, let's check it out.
We are located 120 kilometers south of Winnipeg, conveniently positioned along the borders with Minnesota and Ontario. This central location means freight costs are minimized and our distribution network functions quickly and efficiently. Our 40,000 square foot manufacturing plant employs every modern convenience, from computer-assisted design to laser cutting and robotic welding. This climate-controlled building maintains temperature and air quality to ensure workers are safe and comfortable while building your Portage in Maine outdoor furnace. Our Piney facility manufactures all our different models, from the small IDM 100 wood gasifier through to the new EnviroChip series biomass burners. Each one is tested and retested to pass a strict set of standards, protecting our reputation and ensuring your investment is a sound one. The staff here at Piney are highly trained and believe strongly in what they are doing. The facility employs more than 40 people and supports a small rural community almost entirely. Everywhere you look, Portage in Maine outdoor furnaces provide the space and domestic hot water heat. The factory itself is heated by a biomass burner that was manufactured by our team here at Piney. The Portage in Maine outdoor furnace is constructed entirely of high-quality North American materials. You have to start with the good stuff, including materials that are made right here at home. At Portage in Maine, we believe in supporting North Americans and keeping our dollars as close to home as possible. Buying North American is good for the economy, good for our people, and good for the industry as a whole. Portage in Maine outdoor water furnaces begin their life on the drawing board at our Piney manufacturing facility. Computer-assisted design tools build the stove in virtual space first. The size and shape of your Portage in Maine stove are analyzed in the computer to ensure they are the right configuration for efficiency, longevity, and ease of operation. It also helps simplify and streamline the manufacturing process. The pattern is then sent via computer to the automated laser cutting machine. This amazing machine cuts each component cleanly and accurately. The laser cutting process reduces waste and helps keep production costs to a minimum. Savings on the front end means Portage in Maine can offer more features and extra value while still maintaining a competitive price. It's just good business. After laser cutting, metal components are carefully bent and shaped to fit together like a giant jigsaw puzzle. Logos are stamped, corners are formed, and the unit starts to take shape. Staff then carefully tack the joints every few inches before sending the chassis to a robotic welder for precision dual-pass welding. This complex multi-axis tool analyzes each seam millimeter by millimeter as it welds everything together. The machine makes its first pass along the outside of each seam, then rotates the chassis to weld on the inside of the joint. This double welding ensures maximum penetration for strength and corrosion resistance. It's a time-consuming process, but well worth the investment over time. Many outdoor furnace manufacturers employ single-pass welding, which constitutes a weak spot in their construction. If edges and corners are left exposed to water and ash, they become an area where corrosion and stress fracturing can occur. At Portage in Maine, our robotic welding process creates deep, smooth joints to make sure they last. Following primary welding, ports and fittings are installed. The next step is to pressure test the unit to ensure there are no leaks. Ports are blocked off and the water jacket is pressurized with air. All seams are then soaked with a mixture of soap and water. If any bubbles form, the unit is marked and sent back for further welding and inspection. After welding is completed and triple checked, the firebox and water jacket are sent for paint. In the paint booth, high-quality corrosion-resistant paint is applied. Many of the exterior components are even powder-coated to ensure surface protection even further. Only the highest quality finishing products are applied to the Portage in Maine outdoor furnace, ensuring that it looks as good as it works. Once the paint is dry, your Portage in Maine outdoor furnace goes to the insulating department for further assembly. Ceramic and mineral wool insulation are affixed to the outside of the chassis, along with the doors, side panels, and locking mechanisms. The interior of the stove is then lined with refractory brick and precast refractory cement to increase the stove's lifespan and make it burn hotter. Hotter burns mean more efficient burning. This translates into less wood and more heat. Our cast refractory sections contain stainless steel fibers. These fibers help to keep things together even in the most demanding environments. The cast sections are made on-site using precision molds and a vibration system that removes trapped air bubbles. Once hardened, these cast sections are put into a high-temperature kiln for curing. Here at Portage in Maine, we believe it's important to incorporate as much refractory material as possible to bring you the most efficient water furnace on the market today. The final step in manufacturing your Portage in Maine outdoor water furnace is the installation of the temperature sensors, aquastats, fans, and blower motors. Once the electrical components are installed, the furnace is ready for shipping. From start to finish, your Portage in Maine outdoor water furnace is made with the utmost care and attention. Each seam is meticulously crafted to ensure long life and superior durability. It is our mission here at Portage in Maine to produce the most efficient heating appliances possible using time-tested designs. You can rest easy that efficiency and quality are top of mind in every stage of constructing your Portage in Maine outdoor water furnace. An outdoor water furnace is a big investment. Here at Portage in Maine, we want to make sure your investment is a wise one and that your buying experience is pleasurable. By educating the public in a transparent, thoughtful way, we believe we can change perceptions and showcase outdoor water furnaces as a sensible option for today's heating needs. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more episodes of Heat Smart with Portage in Maine.